My name is Daliss Plumber. Hello. As you can see. And then my two favorite movements would be the pivot foot, I think it's called. So you just easy fix like that. And then after that is my second one, which is kind of cool, the balance. You just lift up one foot. Remember, if you put those together, it would go balance, then pivot foot. Yeah, I can't really do it on my left, but the right would be easier. Ta-da! I did it. And those are my two favorite movements combined together to make one movement. Yeah, that's about it. Bye.